一圈是吗？到里头。
对，你可以就正好介绍一下自己啊。
你喊号啊。Hello everyone. My name is Mary from Sunny Group. Our company manufactures all kinds of solid waste recycling machine over 20 years. You can see our company name Sunny Group and our branch companies Zhengyang Honest and Recycle. This is one of our workshop. Firstly, let me introduce you our spare parts processing area. Okay, let's go. This workshop is for making our main parts for our machine. You can see the steel plates, the raw material. And the laser machine. We have dozens of spare parts processing machines, and so that we can control the machine delivery time and the precision. This is a feeding hopper of a crusher machine. And this one, a shred chamber, the main parts of a shredder machine. It's also for a hammer crusher. The machines are mainly for crushing the scrap metals. And some blade spacer for the shredder machine. And blades of shredder machine, and some screens of machine to control the final size. And I'll show you some details of processing.这个是打磨的是吗？啊，这个进去打磨的吗？
是那个。
那个。Okay, and I will show you another workshop for machines. This workshop is for our assembled machines like shredder machine, hammer crusher machine, and other kinds of solid waste recycling machine. And I will introduce you one by one. You can see this machine are hammer crushers for shredding kinds of scrap metal, iron, aluminum, copper, and it's the hammer heads and the screen. It's many parts of this machine. And it's a big model hammer crusher. This one is our double shaft shredder machine. It's mainly to roughly shred the big size metals, aluminum, iron. And my friends, please check this line. It's also for recycle the metals and separate. Firstly, crush material use this double shaft shredder machine to crush the 5 cm, 10 cm, then going to the hammer crusher. This machine can crush the material much smaller size. And the conveying. Coming to this part, it's a magnetic separator that can remove the iron firstly. Let's see the aluminum. And this machine is our eddy current separator to separate the metals and non-metals. And you can see at my right hand, it's also a similar line for recycling metals or refrigerators. We can see the raw material firstly. This raw material for processing, like aluminum, car engine, like this. And this material uses the hammer crusher to crush directly. Because it's not big size, small size, use this machine crush them directly, then use the magnetic separator to remove the iron firstly, and also match eddy current separator to separate the metal and non-metal again. Okay, my friends, next I will introduce you especially for our ACSR shredder machine. The raw material is aluminum cable and steel reinforced, the blue one. Firstly, I show you the raw material. You can see the material. The inner side is the steel wires, and around it's aluminum wires. Then we use our machine to thread them and separate the aluminum and the steel. You can see the middle have five steel wires and around all aluminum wires. These are single core wires. There is one steel wire and 6 aluminum wire. The machine can both thread the single core and the multi-cores. And then I introduce our machine with details. These 6 sets are for one of our customers finished. And for this machine, example, this is a feeding hopper. The material feet go through this hopper, and you can see the 2 rollers are for the feeding part. And after shredding, now they'll be conveyed into the conveyors. And here parts, this is a magnetic roller. It can remove the iron. Then the iron will discharge at the top of the conveyor, and the steel or iron will discharge from this side. And this machine has total 4 motors. One motor, main motor, is for shredding part. This part of power is about 18.5 kW. And this part is for roller feeding, to first feeding the material. And the third part is for the fans. Well, we can see we also have a pulse dust collection, because during the shredder there is some amount of dust come out. So we use this part to collect the dust. And the first motor is for the magnetic separator roller. And then let me show you the electric control cabinet. We use English remark for you to easily operate the machine. You can see this is for shredding part, and this part for magnetic separator, and this for fan to collect the dust, and this part is for roller feeding. So total 4 motors. Can see the inner. And we also remarked the English fan, magnetic separator, and for shredder part, and for roller part. And for the machine, we have the speed control to control the feeding speed, to control the final size. The final size usually you can get 1 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. You can get this three size. You再拍一下细节吧。This is the discharge part. We seal it to avoid the dust to come out. It's not a complicated machine. The machine is delivered by the whole one, and you just need to connect the conveyors part. The raw material is too long and take much space. So normally our customer use this machine to crush them into small size and separate the aluminum and the steel. Later, you can to melt the aluminum after you get the final product from this machine. And later we will show you the machine running with the raw materials. Okay? Now our worker is connecting and debugging. Just with a few minutes, we will run the machine.
刚开始机了。
And my friends, firstly, we can see the discharge is the final products. And for this part, because a roller is here, the steel will sucked by the roller and discharge at the top of the conveyor. And so the aluminum will discharge from this part. And we can see this is aluminum granules. Very clean. The size is about 20 millimeters. And then this part is for steel. This is steel. Let's see. And later we will test with multi-course wires, the more thicker wires. 是点那个粗一点的料。Test the material like this, much thicker. You can see the steel wires have six wires for steel, and around have rest are aluminum wires. You can see very thick, and we will test it later. Kaba. 先看这个物料吧，先看这个物料吧。We can see the raw material firstly. For feeding the raw materials, usually you can feed them one by one, piece by piece. But you can see our feeding mouth is very long, and you can also put them like 2 pieces or 3 pieces together to increase the capacity. And usually the capacity for one piece, the output is 1 minute can process 50 meters long, the wires. Now we can watch this one.
7芯了。
浓不？
不仅浓，7芯，是细的。
你要到时候咋给搜出来啊？细的浓不？
这就是咱吃的，
一会儿看。
咱换机的吃，我都留在机器了。
哎呀，我的哥哥！
跟那边交上了。要不是刀不拿，
你还是刀了 OK， 因为
要不刀不做好。
因为前头都弄出来了，然后后头弄不出来，那都不对了。
这是铝的啊，这不是铁的。
对。感觉这也没多少粗啊，没法吹吗？
换上去就。
不是连了3个机器吗？连了3个机器，赶紧去把那个机器试一下。
这是铝的，这不是铁的。
对。
这不是铝。
刀木消耗。
铁不是铁的，我老那个铝，我开这样直接换钱。
那时候还不补了。
我看到换那几刀。
换一下，先给直播继续了。
装。
先把那个机器先调好吧，再试一下。这先不管了。先试另外一个。先找其他地方。差不多。但是没有不多。你看，把麦开开吧。Can see these single core wires. The aluminum wires can be bended, and this steel wire is very hard, cannot bend. So we call it single core. Our machine is to crush them and separate the steel wires and aluminum wires. Then we will test it with our third machine. 可以试了吗？
试一下，试一下。然后流态不了泡，长了短了出来细了，然后还有漏料的问题，不要分。
再让他给你弄，因为客户我跟他说的周四都可以，这个装柜子。
行。
就这2天弄好吧。
行。
他拆机的话，不是光拆输送带就行了，也很快。
对。是一个这个机器，然后5公分的，现在是试的短了。
And now we will test another type of wires. Just now we test the final product about 2 cm. Now we will test as 5 cm as final product. You can see this time we tested the final product. It's much longer. It's about 5 centimeter. This is about 1 cm, 2 cm, and this 5 cm. The final size can be controlled. And you can see the steel part. This is steel, 5 cm long. Because our machine have 3 speeds, low speed, middle speed, and high speed. You can choose any one of them to get the different long size final product. And I will please permit me to introduce our machine again. This machine is for shredding ACSR. This machine total long about 7 meter, wide 2 meter, high 2 meter. It's not a very big machine. It's very economical for business beginner, and the blade material is also very good, high quality H13. The output capacity is 50 meter per minute, and also you can get 3 different size as final product: 1 cm, 2 cm, and 5 cm. And today this is the main part of machine we introduced for you, and we also have other machines for square cables, PCB, lithium battery, and solar panels. If you have a chance, we will introduce other machines. And for this machine, if you have any question and detailed demand, you can contact us, and we will send you more detailed parameter and price. Okay, thanks for your watching. Bye bye.